This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sharon Dierolf. Beautiful all-brick home in charming low-maintenance lakefront community with boat ramp. Spacious owner's suite on main level with sitting room and luxury bath with granite, jetted tub, separate shower and large closet. Formal dining room opens to great room with cathedral ceiling, wall of windows and gas fireplace. Eat-in kitchen with granite, island, pantry and bay window opens to keeping room with gas fireplace. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms, or 2 bedrooms and a bonus room, with attached baths and walk-in closets. The lovely screened porch spans the back of the house and overlooks the patio and level, fenced backyard. There's also a community pool with stunning water views, a courtesy dock and boat slips, not included. 1-year home warranty from 2 to 10 included. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Dierolf at 865-584-4000.